Looking for kebabs that are completely vegetarian yet bursting with smoky, meaty flavors? We've got you covered. Today we're making 3 irresistible veg kebabs: Raw Banana Kebab, Rajma Galouti Kebab and the evergreen Hara Bhara Kebab. We'll first start with Raw Banana Kebab. Start by steaming some raw bananas till soft. Once done, peel and mash them in a bowl. Now add ginger, garlic, onion and spices like turmeric, red chili, coriander powder, garam masala, salt and a dash of lemon juice. Now mix everything into a smooth dough-like mixture. Shape it into cylindrical rolls and gently slide them into skewers. In a hot pan, drizzle a little oil and cook the kebabs till they turn golden brown on all sides. Now garnish with fresh coriander and your flavor-packed raw banana kebabs are ready to serve. Next, we are gonna make Rajma Galouti Kebab. For this royal treat, start by dry roasting cinnamon, cloves, cardamom and shahi zeera. Once aromatic, let them cool and grind to a fine spice powder. In another pan, dry roast sunflower seeds, cashews and poppy seeds. Then grind them with a little water to make a smooth paste. Now heat some ghee, add ginger garlic paste and green chilies and toast in your cooked rajma. Now pour in the nutty paste and cook till it thickens beautifully. Now let it cool and then mash the mixture until smooth. Now add khoya, lemon juice, black pepper and salt. Mix in the ground spice powder for that rich aroma. Now shape into small patties, heat ghee on a pan and shallow fry them till crisp and golden. Soft, melt in the mouth, Rajma Galouti kebabs are ready. Now, last not the least, Hara Bhara Kebab. In a kadhai, boil some palak, then strain and set aside. In another pan, saute green chilies, capsicum and beans with a pinch of salt and blend everything into a smooth green paste. Now in a bowl, add this paste with grated paneer, boiled potatoes, corn flour, breadcrumbs and spices like red chili, turmeric, cumin and coriander powder. Now mix well to form a dough. Now shape into small tikkis, coat with breadcrumbs and deep fry until golden and crisp. Now serve hot with mint chutney, the perfect snack for any evening. So there you have it, 3 veg kebab recipes, each with its own unique twist. Which one will you try first? Tell us in the comments, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.